Welcome to our driver education channel. Our goal is to teach students the state's traffic regulations, safe driving practices, and developmentally appropriate driving knowledge and abilities for both the motorized society of today and tomorrow. We also offer a thorough analysis of the causes and solutions for auto accidents. To be eligible to apply for a learner's permit, all first-time drivers must successfully complete the 4-hour Traffic Law and Substance Abuse Education (TLSAE) course, which has been approved by the state. All the information on driving rules, road safety, and substance abuse prevention will be included in our videos. Our intention is to equip our students with a firm foundation of safe driving knowledge and abilities. We assist students in maintaining interest as they develop into safe, responsible, and confident drivers by utilizing films, animations, dynamic quizzes, interactive games, and storytelling. Additionally, this channel was created specifically to assist you in passing your permit test. Our purpose and mission is to introduce students to state driving laws/rules of the road and safe driving behavior, and to strategies that will develop driving knowledge and skills related to today's and tomorrow's motorized society. We also provide an in-depth study of the contributing factors to vehicle crashes and their solutions. We know you'll find that our videos provide a wealth of knowledge for drivers of all ages. Thanks for watching.